Good morning, nursery class. This is your numbers lecture.
Nursery class, welcome back to your numbers period. Today I am going to teach you writing words from 0 to 5. Writing words, okay? Now look, all of you. This is number 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am going to teach you the spell of 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Now look at the class, how to write the spell of 0. Start from the given dot, make straight line, slanting line. From this point, write down on the given line, make a round belly and go up and make slanting line. And stop here. And then write down E, touch the block. Again make slanting line, write down on the given line, make R and then go up, round your pencil, move back and go up and make tail of O. This is the spell of 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. E-R-O should be equal in size. Okay, Nursery class? The next number is 1. The next number is 1. The spell of 1 is O-N-E, 1. Now start from here, make a round O. Make tail of O and go up. Come down in slanting way. Again go up. Come down in slanting way. Now from this point you have to make slant line like this. And write down E and stop here. This is the spell of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next number is 2. Now the spell of 2 is T-W-O, 2. You have to start 2 from here. Okay. Now from this point you have to make slanting line and touch the given block. Move back on the same line. Go up. In the center of the block you have to stop your pencil. Now move back and then write down W and now you have to write down O. Make tail of W. Go up. आगे जाएंगे. Move your pencil back on the same line and make tail of O. After that you have to make one stick here. This is the spell of 2. T-W-O, 2. The next number is 3. 3. The spell of 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 3. Learn again. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now put the pencil on the given dot. Like 2, you have to write down T here. Make T. Make tail of T. Go up. And touch the block. Move back. Write down H. Now make tail of H and make slanting line like this and then write down R. Make slanting line, write down E. Again make slanting line and then write down E. And after that you have to make the head of T. T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next number is 4. Start from the given dot, make slanting line, round your pencil, come down in slanting way. And go up and make tail of F and then write down O. Now you have to make U. From this point in the class you have to go little up, come down and then write down U, slanting line and then write down R. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And the last number is 5. 5. The spell of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. Learn again. F-I-V-E, 5. Start from the given dot. Make slanting line. Round your pencil. Come down in slanting way. From this point go up and make tail and go up and come down. This is I. Slanting line. Make a round V and straight line. And now write down E and go little up. After that put one dot over it. This is a spell of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Now learn again as a class. Z-E-R-O, 0. O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. Thank you, Nursery class.